Welcome back, guys. Look at all these rugs we have to clean. So these were already here in the cart, but Omar and Noel just brought these about an hour ago. They're from a client who was moving out, and before moving into her new home, she wanted to get all her rugs and her padding clean. So we're gonna do this over, I believe, 3 days. Should take us about 3 or 4 days to clean everything. You're gonna see the whole process of that, how we clean the padding, how we clean these wool rugs. These are all wool rugs, Oriental rugs. Also, I do want to show you guys our new centrifuge. We just installed it about a week or two ago. This one's a lot quieter, and it also comes with a braking system. But I'm excited to show you guys the process of us cleaning all these rugs. I also appreciate the support you guys have been giving us on our channel, and let's get to work. Usually we would do this at the client's house, but since there were so many rugs, so many paddings, and there wasn't enough space to do it there, we just brought it all over here, and we're doing this process here. So we measure the rugs, and then we take pictures of them to document it. So a quick update on the rug padding. Looks like they finished cleaning it the other day. I wasn't able to record the process. I had to go out in the field and clean some carpets. But looks like they took care of this. Now I'm just gonna check if everything's dry. We use this hydro sensor. We just poke at it. If it beeps, that means there's still some moisture in it. But it looks like we're good so far. We have the dehu and the fan running right here. But looks like they're dry. Just so you know how it sounds when it's wet. But today we are going to take care of some of these rugs. We did have some more come in. We have a bunch of rugs here waiting to be cleaned. What I'm going to do first though is clean the floor with our floor scrubber. We do this every morning after the guys leave, so we can have the floors always clean. Reason being, well, of course you want to keep your shop clean if you're a cleaning business, and in case some customers come and want to drop off some rugs, they can see that the shop is clean and they have more trust leaving their rugs with us. So let's go ahead, clean this floor, and then we're gonna dust these rugs, put these away, and start cleaning. We get a lot of our stuff from Uline, little carts from Uline. This is for Uline. We use this to tie up the rugs. We use this to wrap the rugs whenever we're gonna deliver them, 2 different sizes. We have our deodorizer. We have another deodorizer. We have solvent. We have just different chemicals that we use on the rugs. We use these to tag the rugs so we don't lose track of them. Here's an example of one. So yeah, keeps us organized. It's mobile, we can move it around. If rugs are heavy, we don't want to drag the rug to one spot. So You can kind of see the system we got. We run it to the machine, it agitates the rugs. Then it comes back down. I pressure wash it. Then we flush it over here. We roll it up on our PVC pipes. Let the water come out a little bit more. And then we'll put it here, centrifuge. Then we'll put it up here to dry. But this is how we're able to clean multiple rugs at a time. We're done with the first set of rugs. We put in the centrifuge, drenched out all that water. Now we're gonna hang them, put these fans on, make sure they dry overnight. My camera's about to die. I'm gonna go help finish the other one. So we'll check on these tomorrow and see how they look. So the synthetic rug is looking a bit dark still. We're gonna use this Boostall. It's a peroxide and a pH boosting chemical. It's a pre-spray that we use for carpet, but we also use it on our rugs. It's really good for synthetic and cotton fibers. It'll bring that brightness back. So what we're gonna do now is add it to our rug and then roll up the rug so we can let it dwell in there. Let's say for like 10-15 minutes. We'll bring it back out and then we'll pressure wash it again. See if we can bring that color back. About 15 minutes has passed, so I'm about to hit it with the CRB, agitate it, then we'll hit it again with the pressure washer and flush it out.